Hi, I'm going to take a recent video audit, then trim the page down a bit, and then show you the three biggest tracking mistakes that are kind of killing ROAS here. So, as you can see on this page, they have 3 Google tags installed. Now, those of you who know, Google, you bid in. And so in this particular case, we are bidding in for 3 views. 3 is more than 1, and essentially you're overpaying for the single view that you have. This client found that out. They also have multiple tag managers, which adds to the chaos. Algorithms learn based upon what you tell them. If you don't tell them something clear and easy to follow, they basically come up with stuff. In other words, they just search around for more and more people to send to your site, which may sound good, but what we want is focused, specific buyers who actually book appointments, in this case for this client. So they also have Google tag and pixel misfire. Pixel misfire. Say that 10 times fast. We also have multiple Facebook pixels on this page. One of which just fires off a contact form submission right when you get to the page. This is not good because Facebook thinks then they have a lead, and so then it goes off and then targets leads. Except we don't have a lead. We just have a random guy, in this case me, who showed up to the website. So the algorithm thinks it's going to learn, and we don't want it to learn because we didn't tell it. And then, of course, we have a second pixel here, which is a copy and paste there. 90% sure on that one. So these types of errors are usually 20 to 30% of ad spend lead. So if you spend $1,000 a month, basically 200 to 300 of this gets chewed up and goes nowhere. So obviously, you can't scale your ads because there's no focus on this type of thing. When we have we have lead events firing from the wrong trigger. Sorry, I'll stay focused. We have Google and Pixel event misfiring, and then number 3, we also have page redirects breaking. I don't want to show that on the video, but when the Google Analytics you redirect to the new form, instead of showing that this should be, because of the simple form tracking, we redirect to book now because this is a WordPress website and they do not host it on their own site. They paid someone else to do that, their booking software. It should fire as the basic lead, in other words, a high intent booking. That's the basic fix. It's not the optimum fix, but that's the basic one. They don't even do that. So Google has no idea what sort of person comes to the site and books an appointment. Facebook thinks it's everyone, and your ad spend tanks. So this is a common problem that a lot of people have. Everyone's different, of course, and but if you want this type of thing on your own business, you're welcome to hit me up, and I'll do it for you. Show you where your stuff is leaking, and we can do the fixes. And of course, we can do this next level after the fixes, which is the server-side integration. That's how you go, from 0 to 100. But you can't do that unless you have the basic fixes and get rid of all this nonsense on this site. So that's the basic idea on what kills ROAS, and this is especially going to be true in 2026. But it's definitely true now since the Facebook updated it and Google updated it in September. All right. Well, thank you for your time. Hope you have a nice day.